When you search for the best engine oil stop leak additives, everything looks the same. Same claims, same flashy labels. But to really find what works and what's just cleverly marketed, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Prolube Oil Treatment. First up is the Prolube Oil Treatment. Priced at $38.99, this product caught my eye with its claim to boost engine performance while reducing noise and vibration. If you want to maximize your engine's overall performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Prolube reduces engine wear by up to 45%, which means less money spent on repairs down the line. It's designed to work with both gas and diesel engines, and its advanced formula helps cut fuel consumption. Imagine not just saving money at the pump, but also extending the lifespan of your vehicle. Over 2,400 reviews give it a solid 4.6-star rating, and more than 6,000 people bought it in just the past month. Now, some people complained about its price, saying it's a bit high compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you want quality and a product that genuinely protects your engine, it might be worth the investment. Just remember, if you're looking for a budget option, you might want to skip this one. This is perfect for you if you have an older vehicle or do a lot of heavy driving. But if you're just looking for a quick fix and don't want to invest much, maybe pass. Now, if the price of Prolube bothered you, the next one offers a more budget-friendly approach without sacrificing performance. Product number 2, Lucas Oil 10278. Next up is the Lucas Oil 10278 Engine Oil Stop Leak, priced at just $11.97. I was drawn in by its strong reputation and affordability. If you're looking for an effective stop leak solution that doesn't break the bank, this one's worth checking out. Lucas Oil is designed to renew worn seals and reduce engine noise, and it works with all types of oils. This means whether you're using conventional or synthetic oil, you're covered. The 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews indicates that many have found success with this product. Here's why this matters for you. A good seal can prevent leaks, saving you from expensive repairs in the long run. Some users mentioned it didn't completely stop leaks for them, but honestly, for the price, it's still a solid option. Just keep your expectations realistic. It works well for minor leaks and can be a great maintenance product. This is perfect for you if you have a vehicle with minor leaks or just want a reliable maintenance product. But skip this if you're dealing with more significant leaks that require immediate attention. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger leaks. Product number 3, Lucas Oil 10279. Coming in at $29.65, we have the Lucas Oil 10279 Engine Oil Stop Leak in a gallon size. It's a bit pricier than the last one, but if you're looking for a more substantial solution, this could be your pick. If you want a significant amount of product to tackle leaks, this is worth considering. This gallon-sized option has the same great features as the smaller version, working with all oil types and helping to renew worn seals. It also raises oil pressure while reducing noise, which is a bonus. The 4.5-star rating and numerous positive reviews show that it's very effective. Here's why this matters. Having a gallon on hand means you can treat multiple vehicles or just have enough for regular maintenance. Now, some found it to be a bit too thick for their liking, which can make it tricky to pour. But here's the thing. The thickness is actually what helps it seal those leaks effectively. Just be prepared for a little mess when you're using it. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles or want a long-term solution. Skip this one if you only need a small amount for a quick fix. Moving on, if you're looking for a solution that also addresses smoke and noise, the next product is definitely for you. Product number 4, Bardol No Smoke Plus Stop Leak. Next is the Bardol 2117 No Smoke Plus Stop Leak, priced at $12.99. This one caught my attention because it claims to tackle both leaks and excessive smoke. If you're dealing with an aging engine that has oil burning issues, this one's worth a serious look. Bardol's formula is designed to fill in loose tolerances, which means it helps not just with leaks but also reduces harmful emissions. It also quiets noisy engines by acting as a sealant. With a 4.4-star rating from over 650 reviews, it's clear that many find this product useful for older vehicles. Here's why this matters for you. If your car is showing signs of smoke, using this can help restore its performance and keep it running cleaner. Some users reported that it didn't completely eliminate their smoke issues. Here's the thing though, for a product that helps with both leaks and smoke, it's a solid option for preventative maintenance, especially if you have an older engine. This is perfect for you if you have an older vehicle that struggles with oil burning. But if your engine is in really bad shape, you might want to explore more intensive repair options. Now, if you're looking for a more straightforward approach without smoke issues, the next product might be your best bet. Product number 5. Lucas Oil 10278 Alternate. Last but not least is another Lucas Oil product, the Lucas Oil 10278 Engine Oil Stop Leak. Priced at $11.25, this version still packs a punch. If you want an affordable alternative that works with all oil types, this one's great. Here's why this matters for you. Maintaining proper oil levels can save you from costly engine repairs in the long run. Some customers noted that it took a while to see results. But honestly, if you're patient, this can be a great addition to your maintenance routine. It's designed to be user-friendly and compatible with all engines, making it a go-to option. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution for minor leaks. Skip this one if you need immediate results, as it may take some time to notice improvements. And that wraps up our list of the top engine oil stop leak additives, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're looking for performance enhancement or just a simple stop leak, there's something for everyone. To quickly recap, we've covered Prolube for performance, Lucas Oil 10278 for budget-friendly sealing, Lucas Oil 10279 for larger needs, Bardol for smoke issues, and another Lucas Oil option for minor leaks. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what fits your needs best. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you keep your engine running smoothly.